Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Axis Solid Mechanics paper. Question number 8 is a plane passing through a point Q inside a body is shown. The unit normal of the plane is normal cap n cap. Motion or stress vector on the plane at point Q is given by T vector T is equal to 50I plus 20J. Given that at point Q sigma xx is equal to sigma yy. The shear stress component tau xy bracket in MPa rounded up to 2 decimal dash. So this is normal vector, this is traction vector, this is plane Q, this is y, this is x. So this is your traction vector and it has two components x and y. Tx is as traction vector is known, so Tx is 50 and Ty is 20. And this is the given plane, and this angle can be found by using normal vectors. Okay. So point this angle is your tangent theta is equal to 0.8 by 0.6, that is 53.3. This is 53.3. So resolving horizontally, Px for A is area of this, so Px into A will be equal to sigma xx into A, and area of this will be A cos theta plus tau xy A sin theta. So this is the horizontal part, and vertical part is if we can cancel out A, so this will become sigma xx cos theta plus tau xy sin theta is equal to Tx. Now vertical part similarly will be sigma yy sin theta, so this is sin theta, and tau xy cos theta will be equal to this T. Okay. So now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, and it is given that sigma xx is equal to sigma yy, suppose it is equal to sigma, so then first equation will become sigma cos theta plus tau xy sin theta is equal to 50, and second equation will become sigma sin theta plus tau xy cos theta is equal to 50, and theta is 53.13 that we have found out, and putting these values and now these two equations will become this. So if you multiply sin 53.13 with first and cos 53.13 with second, then these two equations will become these equations, and if you subtract them, then the tau xy comes out as 100 amp. So answer is 100 amp. So main thing is to understand traction vector, basic component Tx and Ty, and normal vector, tangent theta of normal vector gives this angle. Then we can balance forces and find out the stresses required, that is tau xy. So answer is 100 amp.